Uh-oh, what's happening? These are alphabet letters. This is U, X, and... Oh no! They all got mixed up in my head. But I know how to fix it. Hello, guys! Today we're learning the alphabet letters. There are 26 letters from A to Z. Take your favorite clay colors and let's play and learn together. A is the first letter. It sort of has two legs connected by a line in the middle. Like this! A looks so strong, do you agree? Here's our prize. A is for apple. Say it again. A apple! I love an apple pie. What about you? The next letter of the alphabet is B. B has a line and two big bumps on one side. One bump. Two bumps. The letter B. B is for banana. Yum! B, banana. Peel it and eat it. After B comes the letter C. What does C look like? C is round, like a hug. I love hugs. Easy and smooth. C is for clock. What time is it? C clock. It's time to play some more. C has a neighbor, the letter D. D has a round belly and a straight back. There it is. D is for dolphin. They love to splash. D, dolphin. Dolphins live in the ocean. They are very smart. And who lives next to D? It's the letter E. E has lots of lines. It looks like a small ladder, see? E is for elephant. It is a tricky word. E, elephant. Elephants have big ears and a long nose called a trunk. They love to swim and bathe. After E goes the letter F. F looks like E, but without a bottom line. F is for fish. F, fish. Fish live in rivers, lakes, and oceans. They do flip-flops with their fins. There are lots of different kinds of fish. All are unique in their own way. Next is the letter G. G looks like C with a little hook. Like this. It's like it loves to curl. G is for grapes, so round and sweet. G, grapes. Look, friends, this is how the grapes grow. After G goes the letter H. It has two tall lines and a short line in the middle. H is for house. My family lives in a house. H, house. Wow, this house is huge. Hey, it's another H word. The letter I is next. It has one tall line and two short lines. There it is. I is for ice cream. My favorite word in the world. Ice cream. Do you like ice cream, friends? Which flavor is your favorite? The next letter is J. It looks like a hook. Oops, my bad. J is for jam. Another word that makes my mouth water. J, jam. I love having a toast with a jam for breakfast. After J comes the letter K. K has a tall line and an arm and a leg on one side like this. K is for king, who wears a crown and rules the land. K, king. He lives in a big house called a castle. After K comes the letter L. It is very easy to make L from clay, you'll see. Just make an angle like this and it's done. L is for lion. Can you hear him roar? L, lion, who is also called the king of the jungle. Next comes the letter M. It loves going up and down. See what I mean? M looks like a mountain or a wave. M is for monkey. Can you make monkey sounds? Awesome! M, monkey. Monkeys love to climb trees and eat bananas. M has a close friend, the letter N. It loves going up and down too, see? Here it is! N is for nest. Birds build nests to lay their eggs. N, nest. By the way, different birds make different nests. Just check out these ones. After N comes the letter O. It is very round and smooth like a circle or a ring. Here it is, the letter O. O is for oven. We use an oven to cook food. O, oven. When it's on, it's very hot. Don't use the oven without adult supervision. After O comes the letter P. P has a round head and a tall back. It looks so proud, doesn't it? P is for parrot. It's a very colorful bird. P, parrot. Parrots like to live in warm places and can imitate lots of sounds. Our next letter is Q. Q looks like O, but not exactly the same. Can you guess what's different? That's right! The letter Q has a little tail. Here it is. So cute. Q is for quail. A quail has a beak, feathers, and wings. Q quail. It's a small bird, but it doesn't fly much. Next goes the letter R. It sounds like a little engine. Roar! It looks like the letter P with a leg. R is for radio. Do you know what it is? R. Radio. It's a special device that you use to listen to music. The next letter is S. It is curvy like a little slithery snake. S is for shoes. See, the word shoes starts with S. S, shoes. We put on shoes to go outside. Tell me, friends, are you wearing any shoes right now? After S comes the letter T. It looks like a tall line with a cap. T is for television. We also call it TV. T, TV. It shows cartoons and your favorite shows. Do you like watching TV? The next letter is U. Look, guys, U is always smiling. It looks very friendly. U is for umbrella. Here it goes. U with umbrella. It covers you from the hot sun or the cold rain. After U comes the letter V. It looks very much alike, but a bit pointier. V is for vegetables. Do you like to eat vegetables? V, vegetables. Tomatoes, carrots, and bell peppers are all vegetables. The next letter is W. It looks like two V letters joined together. The letter W sounds different when it meets other letters. W, whale. A whale lives in the ocean and it's very big. Two crossed lines make the next letter, X. X is for Christmas if you write this word short. X, Christmas. It's the time when Santa brings presents. The next letter is Y, and this is how it looks. Y is for yacht. Have you ever seen a yacht? Letter Y, yacht. It's a type of transport. People ride it on water. Finally, the last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z. It is basically a zigzag. So cool. Z is for zebra, an animal that looks like a white horse with black stripes. Z, zebra. They live in Africa in big families and run very fast. Wow, guys, look how far we've come. We've learned 26 letters from A to Z. Shall we repeat them? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your letters, friends. You are so smart. It's time to say bye till the next episode. Thank you all, and see you soon.